Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 easy tips for using Zapier, the automation tool that connects your apps and services together. Zapier can help you save time, boost productivity, and streamline your workflows. Here are 10 tips to get started with Zapier. The first tip is to explore Zap templates, which are pre-made workflows that you can use with just a few clicks. Zap templates are created by Zapier or by other users and cover a wide range of use cases and app combinations. You can browse Zap templates by category, app, or goal on Zapier's website. You can also use the search bar to find a specific template that suits your needs. The second tip is to use filters and formatters, which are steps that you can add to your Zaps to customize them further. Filters let you set conditions for your Zaps to run or stop based on certain criteria. For example, you can use a filter to only send an email when a new form submission contains a specific word or phrase. Formatters let you transform the data that passes through your Zaps to match your preferences. For example, you can use a formatter to change the date format, capitalize text, or extract numbers from text. The third tip is to test your Zaps before turning them on. Testing your Zaps lets you check if they work as expected and catch any errors or issues. You can test your Zaps in two ways, by using sample data from your apps or by sending live data from your apps. You can also view the test results and logs in Zapier's editor or dashboard. The fourth tip is to monitor your Zaps after turning them on. Monitoring your Zaps lets you keep track of their performance and status. You can monitor your Zaps in two ways, by using Zapier's dashboard or by using Zapier's email notifications. You can also view the details and history of each Zap run and troubleshoot any errors or issues. The fifth tip is to use folders and labels, which are features that help you organize your Zaps. Folders let you group your Zaps by category, project, team, or any other criteria. Labels let you add tags or keywords to your Zaps for easy identification and filtering. You can create and manage folders and labels in Zapier's dashboard. The sixth tip is to use multi-step Zaps, which are workflows that have more than 2 steps. Multi-step Zaps let you connect multiple apps and services together and perform complex tasks with ease. For example, you can use a multi-step Zap to create a new contact in your CRM, add them to an email list, send them a welcome email, and create a task for yourself to follow up with them. The seventh tip is to use paths, which are features that let you create branching logic in your Zaps. Paths let you run different actions based on different conditions in your triggers or filters. For example, you can use paths to send different emails based on the type of form submission or the location of the customer. The eighth tip is to use loops, which are features that let you repeat actions in your Zaps for each item in a list. Loops let you handle multiple records or objects with one action step. For example, you can use loops to create multiple tasks from one email or send multiple messages from one spreadsheet. The ninth tip is to use webhooks, which are features that let you send or receive data from custom apps or services. Webhooks let you trigger Zaps from any app or service that supports them, or perform actions in any app or service that accepts them. For example, you can use webhooks to trigger Zaps from your own website or app, or to perform actions in your own API or database. The 10th and final tip is to use Zapier's OpenAI integration, which is a feature that lets you use the power of artificial intelligence in your Zaps. Zapier's OpenAI integration lets you access ChatGPT, the popular AI chatbot from OpenAI, and use it to generate text, code, images, and more. For example, you can use Zapier's OpenAI integration to generate headlines, summaries, captions, slogans, and more. So these are 10 easy tips for using Zapier, the automation tool that connects your apps and services together. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.